In this segment, I'm going to be talking to you about Subculture B. Subculture B is a bacterial root inoculant that should be incorporated into all gardens that utilize cocoa, soil, or soilless mixes as media. The strains of bacteria that are in Subculture B are cultured in a high salt environment, so they work well with mineral-based or organic nutrients. Subculture B contains a high diversity of bacterial strains that form symbiotic or mutually beneficial relationships with plants. Bacteria are part of the base of the soil food web, second only to fungi, and decompose organic matter in order to ingest nitrogen, carbon compounds, and sulfur. Most of these bacteria do best decomposing young, green plant material, in this case roots. Bacteria, in order to break down organic matter, create enzymes, which eventually recycle nutrients in usable form back to the plant. Without these enzymes created by these bacteria, plants would have a much harder time trying to access certain minerals and life-giving compounds. Subculture B has the ability to sequester and absorb important nutrients that allow the plant to develop more consistently. These beneficial bacteria also create byproducts that include antibiotics, vitamins, and metabolites, all of which can be utilized by the host plant. Biofilms created by these microbes are rich with sugars, proteins, and other byproducts that not only influence pH in the root zone where it counts most, but also buffers the soil so the pH remains relatively constant. These symbiotic relationships greatly impact plant growth in the natural world, and we can't overlook their importance when gardening indoors. Add Subculture B to your feeding program and reap the benefits of these amazing microorganisms.